Hello guys, today we will discuss the differentiation of power series, and in this topic the a very important note which is that the concept of interval of absolute and uniform convergence. Remember that an interval of uniform convergence must includes its endpoint, whereas the interval of absolute convergence may or may not be include its endpoints. Therefore, if a power series converge absolutely and uniformly for mod x is strictly less than capital R, then we say that it converges in open interval minus R to R, and it is converges uniformly in closed interval minus R plus epsilon to R minus epsilon, no matter which epsilon we are choosing. So epsilon can be as small as possible. So here is the important theorem which says that if a power series summation an x to the power n converges for mod x is less than capital R, and let us define a function small fx where fx is the limit of power series, that is summation an xn, then summation an xn converges uniformly on closed interval minus R plus epsilon comma R minus epsilon, no matter which epsilon is chosen, and that the function small f is continuous and differentiable on open interval minus R to R, and its derivative will be equal to summation n an x to the power n minus 1. So this is a very important theorem which can be used in different ways to find the radius of convergence of different series. So here is the proof of the theorem. Let us suppose that epsilon be any positive number, then we know that the mod x is strictly less than R, it is given. Therefore mod x will be less than equal to capital R minus epsilon, and this implies that mod an x to the power n is less than equal to mod an. In place of x, what we did, we put R minus epsilon, so it is less than equal to R minus epsilon whole power n. Say this is equation number first. Since every power series converges uniformly within its interval of convergence, it follows that the summation an R minus epsilon whole power n converges absolutely. Hence, by Weierstrass M test, it follows that if a large series is convergent, then a smaller series is also convergent, and it converges uniformly on closed interval minus R plus epsilon comma R minus epsilon. Now since each term of summation an x to the power n is continuous, why? Because each term is in the form of polynomial. First term is constant, second term is x, next term is x square, and because it is the linear combination of all polynomial functions, so all terms in this series are continuous, and summation an x to the power n is uniformly convergent in this interval. It is proven here. Hence the sum function small fx is also continuous, and since each term of power series is differentiable, because we know that the every polynomial function is differentiable in whole R, so therefore it is also differentiable in the interval minus R to R, and summation an x to the power n is uniformly convergent on minus R plus epsilon comma R minus epsilon. It follows that the sum function small f is also differentiable, It is by the property of uniform convergence of series of functions. So here we can use the property of uniform convergence of series of functions. Also we know that the supremum of n into an whole power 1 upon n is equal to supremum of n to the whole power 1 upon n into mod an whole power 1 upon n. But this is given that its value is equal to 1 upon r, and we know that the limit supremum of n to the power 1 upon n is equal to 1. So the limit infimum of mod n an whole power 1 upon n will be equal to 1 upon r. Thus the differentiated series, if we differentiate series summation an x to the power n, then we get series summation n an x to the power n minus 1. So then differentiated series is also a power series, because again it is in the form of this one, and its nth term coefficient is equal to, it is n minus 1. N minus 1 at terms is n an. So this power series has the same radius of convergence here, because n an whole power 1 upon n is again 1 upon r, has the same radius of convergence as the given power series summation an x to the power n. Therefore the series summation n an x to the power n minus 1 is uniformly convergent in the interval closed interval minus r plus epsilon to r minus epsilon, and also we have its derivative is equal to summation n an x to the power n minus 1, where mod x is strictly less than r.